Now this is a Honda XR80. I don't know how much power it has, but it has around 5. It has a really good seat and the gas tank looks really good. I bought it because I wanted something I could take camping and wouldn't take that much space in the truck. Okay, so now the bad part. I bought this bike knowing that it doesn't have good compression, so that means that it probably needs valves or a head gasket or piston rings. But, you know, I've had good luck with low compression bikes, so I just tried to start it. So my first attempt was to add engine restore to the engine and run the engine with a drill, and maybe it was the rings and it would fix the problem. So I tried it and it didn't work. So next I tried to clean the carb, so I took the carb apart and it didn't work either. So at this point I was sure it was the piston ring, so I started taking apart the bike. Now the head did not want to come out of the bike, so I had to take the whole engine off. So I took a couple hours one night to take it all apart so I could measure the piston. But as soon as I inspected the head, there was visible light between the valves and the head. So that means that all the compression was getting out through there. So I got up the next day thinking I just needed to seat the valves like they were just dirty. I was wrong. I started setting up all my stuff, and as soon as I took out the exhaust valve, I saw that it was cracked. Now, you can seat like a dirty valve, but you cannot seat a cracked valve, so I ordered a new one. Now when the correct valve arrived, I set up all my stuff again and started seating the valves. Now after the valves were good, I started assembling the bike again. And I really think that the hardest part was changing the rear tire, because it took me so long. So I finished around 1 AM and I wanted to know if it was going to run, but I also didn't want to wake up all my neighbors. So I kicked it and it started really easily. The next day I just ran around the block and wanted to do something cool. So I hit up my friend to bring his KTM 520 to the field. Now I know this is not a fair fight, so we decided to do a Le Mans start for him, and I was just gonna be completely ready with the bike on. By the way, this is a Le Mans start.
Okay, so the rules of the game is I'm just gonna have the bike on and then start going, and he is gonna have his helmet off, he's gonna be off the bike, and the bike is gonna be off, and then he has to put on his helmet, get on the bike and turn on the bike and then start going, and then maybe it'll be fair.
Ready, set, go!
So this last time I had 49 seconds, and he's gonna try again to see if he could beat 49, but right now it's a close match. It's only 6 seconds, right?
Yeah.
Even if you like accelerate like more, because it's scary.
It is, because you gotta slam on your brakes when you go around that turn.
Yeah.
I'm using the back and the front brake, and I don't know if I'm using too much. Like
Set. Wait. Let me count it again. Ready, set, go. So he needs to like get like 20 seconds before he leaves, and maybe I'll win.
through there. Son of a bitch! You get through. Dang it, I gotta start over. I know it's not fast enough. Alright. No, yeah, this is my third or fourth.
Set, go. Let's see if we can put on his helmet fast enough. Last time he got within like not that much of me, maybe like a tenth or like 2/10 or something. He got 49 point something, but it wasn't enough. Alright. He's coming. He said he was gonna slam on the brakes at the very end. Alright, what do you think you got? You think you beat me?
49.3. 47, let's go. Your turn.
Dude, I don't know if I could go faster. Alright, I'll do one more.
Alright.
And then it'll be like my extreme attempt. That was it for today. Next time, I have an R6 that needs the plastics, and a Yamaha 125 that's probably as fast as that one. So, alright, so if you like this video, subscribe, and I don't know, just watch it. See ya. Oh! What the heck? What the heck? I think it's good.